The other ship, the big ship that you guys saw, her, she's part.
Hello, Kendall and I just checked in our room at the Kahala Hotel because we're getting married at this hotel tomorrow. Yay! Finally, the day has come. We've been preparing for this day for months now, and I can't wait to just get it over with. So I want to give you guys a room tour of our hotel room. So let's go. When you enter the room, the first thing you see is this nice workspace over here. And then there's another corner table over there. And then over here is the lanai. There's Kendall over there on his phone. Over here is actually the ocean. And then this is a dolphin lagoon. There are some dolphins over there that I'm probably gonna show you guys later on. And then this is the main area. They welcomed us with some champagne. This is the bed. It's a king-size bed. You got the TV. And then this is the bathroom. Hello. We get a little pantry over here. This is the fridge, and then there's a little vanity sink over here, closets. You get a stand-in shower, a nice full-size mirror, and this is the toilet. It's separate from the shower. There's another vanity table sink over here, another closet, a lot of storage spaces, and this is the jacuzzi, which I'm definitely gonna take advantage of. That's it. So the wedding is finally over. I didn't really vlog at all at the wedding because I wanted to be present and just fully enjoy the moment. But a couple of my friends took random footage at the wedding using my camera. So in the future, I think I'm gonna be making a wedding video. It's not going to be a vlog, but it's going to be a wedding video of photo montage and the random clips that friends took at our wedding. Because we didn't really hire a videographer for our wedding, we didn't think we needed one. We only had a photographer, but the photos, they said, they're not gonna be available in at least 2 months. I don't really know what's taking so long for the photos to become available, but once they do become available, I do intend to make a wedding video. But now that the wedding is finally over, I just want to have a sit down here to share my honest personal thoughts about our wedding and about weddings in general. First of all, I think our wedding was a success. It went really well. Both of our families and friends, they seemed to have a really good time, which really was our ultimate goal, That became our ultimate goal as we moved forward with the wedding planning. At the onset of wedding planning, I feel like couples, especially brides, subconsciously think that weddings are all about themselves, but they quickly come to realize as they move forward with the wedding planning that weddings really are all about families and friends from both sides coming together as one. And unfortunately, I feel like this is where most of the wedding stress come from, or at least that's what I learned and experienced personally. And I'm talking about traditional weddings here. Just the research and the communication with different types of vendors, the coordination, picking the right colors, flowers, music, the wedding dress, food, drinks, the right venue, how many guests to invite, who to invite, and most especially the costs. A lot of things. Unless you're someone who truly enjoys event planning, everything all at once just becomes really stressful. Especially for brides who I think take on 90% of the planning, really. Don't get me wrong, all the effort is worth it at the end if you end up delivering, meaning the wedding is a success. It's like seeing a project come to fruition. But if it's really just all up to me and all up to me alone, my dream wedding would have been a much more intimate wedding. It's personal preference, but the elopement style wedding is a lot more up in my alley. Elopement style where me and my partner go on a honeymoon destination and then we get married there with just an officiant and a photographer as attendees, and that's it. It's just gonna be a very private and solemn and intimate ceremony. Then when we get back from the honeymoon, that's when we get to celebrate with close family and friends. We can either just go to a nice and upscale restaurant or a private lounge, or even just hold an elegant dinner or party at home. So yeah, those are just my personal thoughts about my wedding, our wedding, and just weddings in general. Let me know what you guys prefer. Are you more for traditional weddings or more modern weddings like elopement style? Do let me know what you prefer and think in the comments section below. Hello! So Kendall came home early today and surprised me with a sunset beach picnic. So we're heading there right now on a Friday night or Friday evening. But first we're gonna have to go to the UPS store to drop off my wedding dress for dry cleaning. It's gonna get shipped out to the mainland. And then we're gonna pick up dinner, Filipino food. And then we're gonna go to Barber's Point for sunset. So, change of plans, we decided to come to Koolina Lagoon instead for the sunset because they closed the gate going to the Barber's Point Lighthouse Beach. So, we're here instead of the Koolina Resort. Hi! We got some lechon kawali and boba for dinner. A good-looking husband. And the sunset over the beach. So this is our current bathroom vanity situation. Tomorrow, Kendall's friend is gonna come help us rip everything off because we're replacing this old vanity, this mirror, and we're also gonna install a new hanging cabinet, storage cabinet over on this side. The past few months, our faucet has been leaking pretty bad. I mean, it's a really old faucet vanity, and it's been actually leaking since we moved into this condo, but it has gotten worse the past couple months. So we figured if we're gonna replace the faucet, might as well just replace everything else and have a little upgrade. We are going to brunch to this cafe called Cocoa Head Cafe. She's so tiny. So cute. It's a big one. Gray. It's like gray.
Oh, how about this one? Oh, this one's stronger. 1900 days.
We're at Home Depot right now looking for bathroom lights and a mirror. Kendall and his friend went out to grab more supplies for use to continue working on our bathroom vanity. So I figured while they're out and the bathroom is currently empty, I would show you the current situation. So as you can see in the back, they already ripped off everything, the vanity, the mirror. So this is looking quite empty right now. But before we can place the new vanity, they're gonna have to patch all these drywall that came off and then paint the wall. And then the new vanity is gonna go, yeah, obviously down here. And then we don't have a new mirror yet. We're probably gonna have to buy that later on. And then this medicine cabinet, we're gonna replace it as well. And also the lights, we're gonna replace all that, but we're probably gonna save that for another time because I don't know if we're gonna have all the time to finish everything today.